Ever wondered what experienced travelers never pack? Picture this. You're gearing up for an adventure, luggage in hand, but what if you could lighten that load? Seasoned globetrotters have mastered the art of efficient packing, ditching items that only add unnecessary weight. So what are these redundant items that you might be lugging around? Curious to find out? Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 things experienced travelers no longer pack. Starting off at number 10, we have just-in-case items. These are things we bring along thinking we might need them. But let's be honest, how often do we actually use them? The chances of needing that extra pair of shoes or that fancy dress are very slim. Experienced travelers know this and prefer to keep their luggage light. Moving on to number 9, flashy accessories. While they might seem like a good idea to jazz up your travel outfits, they're often an unnecessary addition. Not to mention they could attract unwanted attention or even make you a target for theft. Next at number 8, passport covers. Sure, they look nice and can make your passport stand out, but they can also be a hassle at immigration counters. Most officials will ask you to remove the cover, making the process longer. And remember, packing light is the key to a hassle-free journey. Moving on to number 7, luggage scales. It's a common misconception that these are essential. However, experienced travelers have learned that most airlines offer weighing services at the check-in counter, eliminating the need for your own scale. Next, at number 6 we have towels. Yes, they can be comforting to have your own, but they take up precious space and most accommodations provide them. So, save that space for something you really need. Now, on to number 5, toiletries. Often we tend to overpack these, forgetting that most hotels offer complimentary toiletries. Plus, there's always the option to buy locally, supporting local businesses and exploring the local culture a bit more. Now we're halfway through. If you're enjoying these tips and want more of such insights, do hit the subscribe button. We've got plenty more travel tips and hacks coming your way on Everything Travel. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now that we're subscribed and ready to go, let's dive into the top 4 things experienced travelers never pack. First up, money. While it's wise to have some cash for emergencies, carrying large amounts can be risky. Nowadays, most places accept cards and other digital payment methods, making it unnecessary to lug around hefty wallets. Next, we have hair dryers. These bulky items take up valuable space in your luggage, and let's be honest, most hotels provide them anyway. So why bother packing what you don't need? Moving on to books. Yes, they're great for passing time during long flights or layovers, but they can also add unnecessary weight to your bag. Plus, with today's technology, you can easily store countless ebooks on your phone or tablet, allowing you to travel light while still having a world of literature at your fingertips. And finally, the neck pillow. While they may seem like a good idea, they're often bulky and inconvenient to carry around. Many experienced travelers have found better ways to get comfortable during their journey, such as using a rolled-up jacket or hoodie. And there you have it, the top 10 things experienced travelers never pack. So, the next time you're packing for a trip, remember these tips. We've taken you through the top 10 things experienced travelers no longer pack. From the bulky neck pillow, to the unnecessary just-in-case items, these are all things you can leave behind to make your journey smoother and your luggage lighter. Remember, books can be replaced with ebooks, hair dryers are often provided by hotels, and carrying too much cash is a risk not worth taking. Toiletries, towels, and luggage scales are also unnecessary weight. Passport covers and flashy accessories, leave them at home. Now we're sure you've got some travel wisdom of your own. Why not share your own packing tips in the comments section? We'd love to hear them. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Everything Travel for more tips and hacks. And if you missed our last video on what not to pack in checked bags, the link is right above. Safe travels, everyone.